Next in Scratch, we are going to do addition of two numbers. So we have taken the sprite. This sprite is going to ask us question like 5 plus 2 equals to question mark. So for that, we'll go to events, and in events, when green flag is clicked, we'll bring this block here. Now we have to take variables which will be holding number values. So we'll go to variable, and here we are going to make variable. So our first variable is num1. It is already made here, so I'm checking it right. Second variable is number2, and third variable I'm taking is sum. And here we are bringing this block here. This block is for sum variable, to which I'm giving initial value to 0. The sum block is going to hold addition of number 1 and number 2. Now again I am bringing this block here, and here set my variable, and instead of my variable I am doing number 1 to 0. Now we have to add numbers which ranges from 0 to 100. So for that we'll go to operators, and in operators we are provided with pick random from 1 to 10. Now here we can select our own range. Here I am saying it can select any number from 0 to 100. So first number can be from any number from 0 to 100. Similarly for second number, that is for number 2, again I am bringing this block here, and here instead of my variable I am saying number 2 to, again we go to operators, and operators pick random from 1 to 10, and here in place of 1 I am saying 0 to 100. And again we are going to variables, and in variables I am bringing same block here, and here set my variable, and instead of my variable I am putting here sum 2, and here we have to do addition. So for that we'll go to operators, and in operators we can see this plus sign here, which is going to add two numbers, which will provide here in placeholder. So we'll drag and drop this placeholder here, and in this placeholder, first placeholder, we are going to put our number 1, and in second placeholder we are going to put our number 2. So here we are doing addition of two numbers which we will select from here. Now we have to make this cat asking question like this, like 21 plus 9 equals to what? So here we'll go to ask sensing, and in sensing we are provided with this ask. And here in this placeholder we'll go to this operators, and in this operator we are provided with this join block. We'll drag and drop this block here, and here in first placeholder we are going to put number 1. We can drag and drop it here. Second, we have to put plus sign. So again we'll go to operators, and in operators we are going to drag and drop this join here, and here instead of apple I am putting plus sign. Now we have to put number 2 equals to question mark. So all these things we cannot put in same placeholder. So again we are dragging the same block here. In this block we are going to put number 2, which is in variables, and instead of banana here I am putting equals to and question mark. So when we'll click this green flag, we can see here that cat is asking question 73 plus 76 equals to question mark. Now whatever answer we type here, cat is going to display that answer. One more thing we want, that if the answer we have typed is right, cat should be saying correct answer, and if it is wrong, it should be saying incorrect answer. So for that we'll go to again control, and in control we are provided with if then else block. Now in this hexagon we have to put our condition. So for that we'll go to operators again, and in operators we are provided with this equals to sign block. We'll drag and drop it here. Now, here in this statement, we are doing addition of two numbers, number 1 and number 2, which is going to a sum variable. So, and here it is the sensing block we are provided with this answer. This answer is going to sense the answer, whether it is, whatever is the answer, it is going to sense it. So, we are going to bring this block here. And here in this block, we have to put a sum variable, which will be in variables. So, we'll drag and drop this sum variable here. So, actually, it is comparing that the answer which this our sensing block has sensed is matching with the answer which we have done here. Here it is a condition. It is not assigning value to this answer. It is just checking. If this answer is matching, it is this cat should be saying correct answer. So for that we'll go to looks and we will drag and drop this block here, and here instead of hello we'll say correct answer. That means if we provide right answer here, it should be saying correct answer. And if our answer is wrong, it should be saying incorrect answer. For 2 seconds. Fine. Now here I'm clicking this green flag. Now this cat is asking me answer 41 plus 7 equals to what? And the sum we have, its sum is 48. If we write here 48, if we calculate and write here 48, this cat should be saying correct answer. Again we'll run it. It is asking 12 plus 31 and its answer is whatever is the answer, we are not checking. Here if we write wrong answer like 101, if we have written this cat is saying wrong answer. So this way we can do addition of two numbers in Scratch.